Hello there, my name's Ollie from Anchor Vans, and today I have for you the 2021 Ford Transit Custom Short Wheelbase Sport Edition in a lovely orange colour. This one in particular has 12,000 miles on the clock, and unlike other customs, it does have a tailgate rather than barn doors. Now, just opening the passenger door here, I can show you that inside we have 3 leather seats. Here we can control the radio, settings, air conditioning, including heated seats. This is an automatic. Up here we can control the cruise control, hands-free cooling, voice assist, etc. This does also have a reversing camera in it as well. And at the back you can see it is ply-lined with a carpet floor, interior lighting as well. And as you can tell by the state of the bulkhead, there's no scratches nor dents in it, suggesting the previous owner of this van only used it for light loads. I'll just show you again from the back with the tailgate open this time.